Did you understand in each cause number you're charged with intoxication manslaughter? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Derek Reyes, court is calling 2023 CR 2568 and 2569, State of Texas versus Derek Reyes. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Luis Martinez on behalf of Mr. Reyes.
Are you Mr. Reyes?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you need to have a seat. Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all the discovery and did you review that with your client?
Yes, Judge. I have, and just for the purpose of the record, there's some different evidence listed in each case. It's the same incident. There was some stuff that was uploaded by the state separately. It was provided only under one case number, but it's the same, and I've reviewed it all with my client. For the record, want to go ahead and make sure it's clear.
All right. Then in each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Reyes, in each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding? I'm sorry, are you proceeding in each case as stated?
Your Honor, in each case, we're proceeding on count 1 and waiving count 2.
And that's without objection, Judge.
All right. Mr. Reyes, in each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in each cause number you're charged with intoxication manslaughter? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Mr. Reyes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 12 years in the prison. The cases will run concurrently. There's to be restitution to the family of Cynthia Shepard, Melissa Boel, Boehl, Tiffany Diaz, Ashley Ramos, and you are to cooperate in the civil lawsuit currently pending in relation to the case. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, I'm showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
I did, yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, that the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court? Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
There have been none, Judge.
Then to each case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offer states Exhibit 1 in both cases.
And that's without objection, Judge.
In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses that the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachment, it's in each cause number. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. And it's the court's understanding that both parties are asking for a reset for sentencing. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
So when are the depositions to take place?
Judge, we just worked out this deal, so the depots have not been scheduled. So I would ask for 45 days to get this done.
All right, we're going to recall this back for March 25th.
Thank you, Judge.
Let me make sure that's right on this calendar. Yes. So we're going to come back on March 25th. And that will be your date for sentencing, and it's going to be at 9 a.m. I'll give you a reset form and then you will be excused.
Okay.
And once you sign that, you're both excused.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
You're welcome. And Luis, instead of coming back with that information, if you email it, we'll take care of it.
I'll try to get for you right now, Judge.
Thank you.
Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed, she's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay. Call up holy, only,